Hello everyone, myself is Dr. A.R. Samyullah. I am passionate to treat the people through acupuncture and acupressure treatments at Bangalore city. So today we have the new topic to discuss and to get the solutions. There are the two different kinds of the disorders. There is one solution. There is the one is impotency. The second one is premature ejaculation. Impotency is characterized by the failure of the erection and the penis doesn't get hard enough to do the intercourse or coitus. The second one is premature ejaculation. At the beginning of the sex itself, the ejaculation and orgasm occurs. So how to we understand these two conditions can able to get rid of these issues? There are the few conditions and reasons to cause these issues, especially the lifestyle disorders, the people who are suffering for the diabetes mellitus or hypertension, or the thyroid related disorders or nocturnal emission, which we call as a night falls, and the people who have in the previous dates like excessive sexual activities. These conditions certainly having the impact to get the erectile dysfunction. Number two, there are the emotional disorders like the people have the fear, anxiety, depression, guilty feeling, and the people who consume lot of alcohol and tobacco smoking, and also further the people who take lot of beta blockers medication, antidiuretic medications, and also antidepressant medicines also leads to this problem. Apart from this, as per the traditional medicine perspective, there are the three organs deficiency which causes the impotency conditions. Number one is kidney yang deficiency, the second is spleen, and third one is heart energy gets malfunction leads to this problem. So in this condition, how to integratedly treat by activating certain points to activate these three organs. And before going to start that practical section, there are the exercises called as a Kegel exercises that previously I told to the prostate gland condition disorders also can be used these Kegel exercises. This condition also recommended that same pelvic floor exercises that normally can be done while sitting position or while sleeping position can be done, but a special and simple way I'll suggest you, whenever you go for the urination, when you pause the pee, even on that time slowly you just contract the PC muscles, the pelvic floor muscles, and then release the urination. Again you just contract your penile muscles and then hold for 5 seconds, and then further you release the urination. Again you just hold for 5 seconds and then release it. So in the similar way you just continue one time urination at least 4 to 5 times. You just contract the pelvic floor muscles and then release it. This to be recommended at least once in a day. You can do it, for instance you are going 7 times in a day for the urination, at least you can do 5 times in a day. For instance early morning and then afternoon, evening, late evening and night can be done to control this urination and relaxing your muscles. When you do this procedure, at the same time you contract and tighten your anal muscles or the rectum muscles. That's most important to control. So now when have the contraction of the rectum muscles, you need to imagine one or other way how this will going to helpful to you. So I'll suggest you, there are the 4 directions, front, back, right and left. There are the 4 types of the different muscles which is existing on the rectum region. You just imagine in this way, once you contract the front side of the anal muscle, once you contract, that energy moves to the front side of the direction, it goes to the glabella where it meets to the central groin. When you look at the back side of the rectum muscle, once you contract, then that fluid is circulating to the spinal cord. When the right side muscles you contract, you imagine that that energy is flowing to the kidney and also to the liver and lungs. Then at the same time when you are contracting to the left side of the anal muscles, at the same time the energy moves to the left side kidney and also spleen, further indirectly it goes to the heart system. So therefore integratedly the whole system is integratedly accumulated here in order to promote the chi, which we call as a energy to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. It gives the internal organs energy, that energy moving to the lower direction of the energy in order to regulate the system. So therefore this is called as a Kegel exercises, which is most essential, which can be applicable for the erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation and prostate gland related disorders. So once you contract these muscles, certainly you feel that there is the energy flowing internally. This assuming which is most important. Whenever you are literally sitting somewhere, but focus is required. Whenever you do, you just try to understand, yes, you are stimulating to your internal organs through the muscular activity. So now let's go for the practical section, and I would like to show you there are the 4 different places how to be activated in the natural form. The people who are consuming the Viagra, sildenafil citrate, Cialis like a tadalafil citrate, and the people who use that vacuum erection device or the pellets or maybe the implantations, the penile implantation injections, without all these synthetic any medication, certainly natural form you can able to strengthen your pelvic muscles and also the nervous system, which we called as a pudendal nerves and also the cavernous nerves of the penis system. Naturally you can improve while activating the certain points. So let me see what are the points to be activated in the practically. So now let's start the practical section. This is the most important point I am showing you. This is the ventral wrist crease, where you can find the crease here. From here you just place it 3 fingers, index finger, middle finger and ring finger. Then after 3rd finger there is a point called as a pericardium 6, that is P6. This point is exactly located midway between the 2 tendons, palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis tendon. In between these 2 tendons, in the depression, there is a point. So this point to be activated with the thumb, clockwise direction and then anti-clockwise direction. So you just leave it. Again you just give the pressure, apply the clockwise direction for few seconds and then anti-clockwise direction few seconds. So in this way you just continue for 1 minute, and later on you just give the pressure with the pen or pencil or jimmy or applicator. You just activate this point by using this jimmy or applicator. So you just press this inside. So you should know where exactly the point is located, at the center of this hand. So this is the lower portion, this is the upper portion. Center you can find this pericardium 6. So this point is very good point to treat for all the emotional related disorders, psychological related disorders, and the misconceptions between the husband and wife, anxiety, palpitation, depression, insomnia and hypertension. All these conditions, this point to be activated. Whether you just, sometimes when you have wood stick, you just give the pressure for few seconds and then release it. Give the pressure for few seconds and then release it. Again you just give the pressure for few seconds and then release this point to be. Continue this also nearly 1 minute to 2 minutes is recommended. You understand, this is the most important point, because of in nearly 50% of the cases are suffering for the impotency or psychosomatic or psychological related disorders. Therefore this is a very key important point to activate, which affects for the mind and also heart. So therefore this is the most important. The further another 3 points I am suggesting you. The most important area I am suggesting you, this is the last area where below the abdominal region you need to warm up to the internal organs. You just warm up the hands and rub rapidly till you feel the warmness, and then place it below the navel on the right side and warm up to those organs. And again you just warm up, rub rapidly and then place it on the left side of the abdominal organs. So there are the few meridians here. There is a Ren meridian 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a stomach meridian, is a stomach 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. There is a kidney meridian, is K12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And also spleen 13, 14. All these points are located on the pelvic region. You just do the warm up and then apply that warmness. Because of, as I mentioned, kidney yang deficiency, to strengthen and warm the organs because of the water level is excessiveness sometimes, or maybe there is no stamina in that region. You are strengthening by activating or stimulating by using the warming technique, and at the same time you just give the pressure. Once you place it and then just you give the pressure internally, hold it for few seconds and then release it, hold it for few seconds and then release it, again you hold it for few seconds and then release it. Just warm up rapidly, you just warm up until you feel the warm and then place it on your kidney region. Just you place it on your back on the kidneys region. So this also warming up to the kidneys or strengthening to the kidneys by doing this procedure. Then how many days to be continue? I suggest you minimum at least 30 days you just continue, but mostly 3 months continuously to be done to obtain the desirable results. The Kegel exercise also to be continue for 3 months. Acupressure points to be activated at least 3 months minimum it is required in order to get the good results. So next point I am suggesting you try to understand exactly this is inside where exactly this big toe is there. Towards the big toe you can find this bone called as a medial malleolus. This is the tip of the bone is medial malleolus. You just point out that from here I am suggesting you just place it 4 fingers above from the medial malleolus. Then after the 4th finger there is a point. Now how exactly we locate this point? So there is a bone called as a tibial bone. So below that depression of the border of the tibial bone you can find the whole this area is depression, but exactly 4 fingers above this point is below the border of the tibia. You can find the point, this point to be considered as a spleen 6 point. It is a homeostatic point, immune enhancing point and tonification point, and it is a great point to treat for all the pelvic related disorders, but especially this point is activated to the spleen. Spleen also major role to control the blood circulation, to regulate the blood as well. So therefore once you activate this point, and it is the numerous related pelvic floor conditions you can able to treat by activating this point. So I suggest you the erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, for both the conditions this point to be activated. You just give the pressure clockwise direction for few seconds and then turn anti-clockwise direction for few seconds, and again you just relax it. Further you just give the pressure and continuously you just give the pressure for few seconds and then clockwise anti-clockwise direction. So in this way you just give 1 or 2 minutes of pressure, and then again without rotating you just give the pressure and hold it for few seconds and then release the point. So in this way morning and evening both the times this point to be activated in the naturally. Whether you doesn't have the jimmy or applicator, you just take the pen and then give the pressure, also recommended, or if you are using the thumb also you just activate by clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So the pain should be tolerable, not the deep pressure, not light pressure as well. It is just diplomatic pressure. So there is another point. This both the points I recommended for previous conditions like prostate gland disorders. I suggested same points, but these points also I am suggesting in order to improve the kidney yang deficiency and also to strengthen the overall pelvic floor muscles. Now let me find out once again the tip of the medial malleolus and this tendon called as a Achilles tendon. So from here to here is the center, midway between the tip of the medial malleolus and then Achilles tendon, but the point is located here. So this point is called as a kidney 3 point, K3. So this point is generally activating to the whole kidney system or the pelvic floor system, and also improve overall the health for stamina of the bones and stamina of the pelvic floor muscles. You just activate clockwise direction anti-clockwise direction. So this point to be activated. Further, you just give the pressure it for few seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds, and then release it. Again you just give the pressure. So in this way maximum 2 minutes can be given, the whole point clockwise and anti-clockwise, and giving the pressure, the everything which includes 2 minutes here and 2 minutes this point. And overall by activating this point you are strengthening to the, especially for the sexual malfunction, this will helpful for the erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation. And also it is extremely super effective point to treat for all the kidney related disorders. The kidney energy is different from the failure. Failure is totally different word. You need not to worry about it. Whenever you feel there is low energy in the kidney, so it causes the multiple related disorders. By activating this point, certainly having the great impact to treat for the impotency and erectile dysfunction disorders. And also it improves the nitric acid level on the pelvic region, and also having the neurotransmitter taken place like cyclic GMP and NO, nitric acid releases by activating this point. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, and certainly you subscribe this and for further health related videos, and if you like it, and please share to others, the others also benefited the same. Further any queries is given, the details on the description. Thank you very much.